Hi, my name is Sherry, and this is Cross Potent, a place where magical people meet. And I'm in southern Illinois, enjoying the beautiful weather today. And I wanted to talk about the Native American Zodiac, and especially the sign of the Woodpecker. There are 12 animal spirits that govern the 12 segments of the Zodiac. And people born between June 21st and July 22nd have the animal totem of the woodpecker. This is a very nurturing spirit, and they're very devoted to their young. They spend a significant amount of time carving out a nest out of a dead tree limb. The wood that the woodpecker carefully carves his little home out of is dead, but it's solid enough to provide a shelter for his home. The totem of the woodpecker is a spirit of a wonderful parent, a devoted partner, a steadfast co-worker. They love a loving environment and a cozy home. This is a natural fit for a caring heart of a woodpecker who loves to be around children. The woodpecker is a true friend that will stand by you through thick and thin. Be careful not to overstay your welcome or not to repay a loan. The woodpecker, however, can be a little overly worrisome and also a little frugal and unforgiving sometimes. The woodpecker is usually a smart dresser and a romantic, and they're compatible with the smart and secretive snake. They're also compatible with wolves, who share a deep sensitivity to emotional bonding that the woodpecker requires. And with beavers, they're compatible. The beavers love to cater to the woodpecker's need for a wonderful home that's decorated nicely. And the woodpecker is seen as a very stable sign. It's very happy sign, often zany in a way. And woodpeckers tend to be very industrious too, clever with their use of resources. And I hope this has been enlightening about the woodpecker. I will bring more of these Native American Zodiac animal spirit videos to you. If you want an email update every time I post one of these videos, you can click the subscribe button for free, and you'll get an email update every time one goes up. And I look forward to seeing you again soon. Thank you.